Good morning, dear students. Let's continue sums of exercise 8.2. Now question number 8 is the price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So children, its solution will be on rupees 100 the tax to be paid is rupees 12. So on 1 the tax to be paid is rupees 12 upon 100. So on rupees 13,000 the tax to be paid will be 12 upon 100 multiplied by rupees 13,000, that is rupees 1,560. So the required amount will be the price of TV, that is cost, plus sales tax. So rupees 13,000 plus rupees 1,560, that is rupees 14,560. So Vinod will have to pay rupees 14,560 for the TV. Question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the mark price. So children, as we have to find mark price, and so we will be taking it as x. So let the mark price is equal to x, and we know that discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price multiplied by 100. So we will be putting value over here. Discount percent is given 20 is equal to discount upon x multiplied by 100. So discount will be 20x upon 100, that is 1 upon 5x. Also we know that discount is equal to mark price minus sale price. So now here again we will be putting values, as discount is x upon 5, or you can say 1 upon 5x is equal to x minus rupees 1,600. So x minus x upon 5 is equal to rupees 1,600. We will be taking LCM on left hand side. So 5x minus 1x will be 4x upon 5 is equal to rupees 1,600. So x will be rupees 2,000. Thus the mark price was rupees 2,000. Now question number 10. I purchased a hairdryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. So children, its solution will be, we are not given with the original price. So we will be taking original price be rupees 100. So children, let the original price be rupees 100. Next is VAT. Children, VAT is value added tax. So VAT is 8% of rupees 100. So that is rupees 8. So sale price will be rupees 100 plus rupees 8, that is rupees 108. So if selling price is rupees 108, then original price is rupees 100. If selling price is 1, then original price will be 100 upon 108. So if selling price is rupees 5,400, then original price will be rupees 100 upon 108 multiplied by rupees 5,400. So that is rupees 5,000. Thus the price of hair dryer before the addition of VAT, that is value added tax, is rupees 5,000. So children, this completes your exercise 8.2. Thank you.